Hi there, season's greetings. I'm Daniel, founder of PixelPerfectMinis and co-creator of Breadpix. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the SimCity-inspired Miguel LLC Z-Scale assembly kit sold on my Etsy shop. If you haven't already picked up one of these kits for yourself, there is a link to the Etsy listing below in the description. At the time of filming, the kit is only available in monochrome. It consists of separate walls and hollowed out windows, which allow for creative painting, lighting, and window solutions. The inspiration for this model is Miguel LLC from SimCity 4. In the game, it's a mid-level medium-wealth commercial office from the Chicago tile set. And now let's get started. Your kit comes wrapped in plastic. Let's find out what's inside. Within the packaging are the components of your building, identified by little post-it notes. The labels tell you the order of assembly. Verify that you have parts 1 through 17 and a small pouch numbered 18. If you're missing anything, please reach out to me. The parts are easiest to assemble in order from 1 through 18. Unlike my previous kits, such as Grove Consulting, Miguel LLC can be put together with only a few dabs of glue. No other tools are required. This is a 360-degree render of what Miguel LLC looks like once it's fully assembled. We'll begin by putting together the model's roof. Lay part 1 down flat. This is the roof. Parts 2, 3, and 4 form 3 sides of a little elevator room. Slot their bottom protrusions into the grooves in the roof. Once the 3 walls are secure, you can slide into mini roof part 5. With the roof secured in place, you can now attach the back wall, part 6. You can slide the wall into place by pushing downwards and inwards until all protrusions click into their corresponding grooves. Let's now secure the front of the main building. First, lay the base component 7 down flat. Just like the little elevator room, you'll secure the front 3 faces, 8, 9, and 10, in place in the grooves of the base. Once everything is approximately in place, you can slide the whole roof subassembly into place. When viewed from above, the model has a U shape. We'll next be assembling the back of the building, starting from within the U. Let's first slide the middle wall 11 into place. Next, we'll slide into place the little wall 12. The little roof piece 13 can now be inserted. Followed by the inner sidewall 14. Then the opposite inner sidewall 15. Parts 16 and 17 are the most difficult to secure, as they need to align with many other components. Take your time so that everything clicks into place. The finishing touch for our model is to attach the little chimneys atop the roof. A small dab of glue will secure each chimney into place. And with that, your Miguel LLC is now complete. Take a moment to savor the fruits of your labor. This concludes the assembly tutorial for Miguel LLC. Thanks for watching. Questions and comments are welcome below. Stay tuned for more projects, and happy building!